Hey, so today's little technical review is going to be on how to use a capture card with your camera so that you can get better video. Coming right up. Hey, so welcome back everybody to Easy Tech Review. Today I want to talk about using your camera, DSLR camera, or any other type of camera, using it as a webcam or just directly plug it into your computer so you can use your computer or other device as a monitor. And this is what I got. I got this little device right here. It's HDMI capture card. And what comes in the box is this is the actual capture card itself. And it comes with a HDMI card, which is much too short for me to use. And also a nice little carry bag, I guess, if you just want to carry it around and store it when you're not using it. This little device is actually pretty simple and easy to use. The directions say that you can get a lifetime warranty on it as well, which is a great option. So I will sign up for that. The unit is really actually easy to use. With most things, especially on my Mac computer, it's just plug and play. And it was simple as me plugging this into my camera, HDMI, and plugging this into the USB port. And when I brought up the program, it gave me an option to choose cameras, and I choose the camera, and and it worked just fine. So with that, thank you for watching Easy Tech Review. If there's anything that you like, any questions that I may be able to answer, go ahead and hit me up down below. So hey, look, if you like the show, if you like what you see, if anything is helpful that you got, go ahead and hit subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and share this channel with others. And if there's any little hack that you need to know and I can help you out with it, just shoot me a question and I will try to get a video for that. So thanks for watching Easy Tech Review, and I will see you later.